Uniswap value equivalent to $6.5005 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $6.2912, $6.6187. The earlier day close. $6.3523. The change was plus 0.1482, plus 2.33%. Converse rate. United States dollars to unit. Uniswap gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at $6.37. Exorbitant cost 7.91, while low cost 6.37. The normal for the month $7.01. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $7.39, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $7.39. Exorbitant cost 7.39, while low cost 6.41. The normal for the month $7.02. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.89, change for May 6.8%. Uniswap conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at $6.89. Excessive cost 7.52, while low cost 6.54. The normal for the month $7. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $7.03, change for June 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $7.03. Exorbitant cost 7.82, while low cost 6.80. The normal for the month $7.24. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $7.31, change for July 4.0%. Uniswap gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at $7.31. Exorbitant cost 9.07, while low cost 7.31. The normal for the month $8.04. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.48, change for August 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $8.48. Excessive cost 9.52, while low cost 8.28. The normal for the month $8.80. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.90, change for September 5.0%. Uniswap conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at $8.90. Excessive cost 9.72, while low cost 8.44. The normal for the month $9.04. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $9.08, change for October 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at $9.08. Exorbitant cost 9.96, while low cost 8.66. The normal for the month $9.25. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $9.31, change for November 2.5%. Uniswap figure for December 2024. Initially cost at $9.31. Excessive cost 10.13, while low cost 8.81. The normal for the month $9.43. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $9.47, change for December 1.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at $9.47. Exorbitant cost 10.17, while low cost 8.84. The normal for the month $9.50. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $9.50, change for January 0.3%. Uniswap figure for February 2025. Before all else cost at $9.50. Excessive cost 11.79, while low cost 9.50. The normal for the month $10.45. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $11.02, change for February 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2025. At the outset cost at $11.02. Excessive cost 12.14, while low cost 10.56. The normal for the month $11.27. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $11.35, change for spring 3.0%. Uniswap gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at $11.35. Exorbitant cost 12.63, while low cost 10.97. The normal for the month $11.69. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $11.80, change for April 4.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at $11.80. Exorbitant cost 13.60, while low cost 11.80. The normal for the month $12.48. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.71, change for May 7.7%. Uniswap estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $12.71. Exorbitant cost 14.32, while low cost 12.44. The normal for the month $13.21. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $13.38, change for June 5.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at $13.38. Exorbitant cost 13.38, while low cost 10.45. The normal for the month $12.11. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $11.24, change for July 16.0%. Uniswap estimate for August 2025. To start with cost at $11.24. Exorbitant cost 13.95, while low cost 11.24. The normal for the month $12.37. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $13.04, change for August 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $13.04. Excessive cost 13.04, while low cost 10.65. The normal for the month $12.05. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $11.45, change for September 12.2%. Uniswap conjecture for October 2025. Before all else cost at 11.4. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $9.66. Exorbitant cost 9.66, while low cost 7.54. The normal for the month $8.74. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.11, change for November 16.0%. Uniswap conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at $8.11. Exorbitant cost 9.11, while low cost 7.91. The normal for the month $8.41. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.51, change for December 4.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $8.51. Excessive cost 8.51, while low cost 7.27. The normal for the month $8.03. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $7.82, change for January 8.1%. Uniswap figure for February 2026. Initially cost at $7.82. Excessive cost 7.82, while low cost 6.11. The normal for the month $7.08. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.57, change for February 16.0%. Uniswap